Hello everyone. In this video I will be solving GATE 2016 Chemistry question number 48. This question states that a system is described by the following real wave function. The given wave function is like this. Here we have, okay, and it is divided into three regions, 1, 2 and 3. So we need to find the probability P of finding the particle in a region dx around the point 1, 2 and 3 in the given figure. So we need to find the trend of the probability, whether which one has the higher and the lowest probability of finding the particle in that particular region. So before getting into the solution, let's head into the basic of the question. So it comes from the postulate of quantum mechanics. So the first postulate of quantum mechanics is the state of a quantum mechanical system is completely specified by wave function psi x t. Okay, but we need to okay is completely defined by the wave function psi xt, but you need to note that the wave function psi does contain all the information about the system that we are interested in, but the wave function itself does not help and give us any physical interpretation. Okay, there is another idea uh, which we can use, and that is what we call as Born interpretation. So this Born interpretation suggests that although the wave function itself does not have any physical meaning, uh, but what will have the physical meaning is the psi star psi is multiplied. Okay, I just write it down. That the psi star, that is a conjugate of wave function psi, when multiplied with psi x comma t, will give me the mode square of my wave function. Okay, and this is particularly the quantity which has a physical meaning, and it is equal to the probabilistic. So this physical meaning has a probabilistic interpretation. So this is what we call as Born. This will give me the Born probabilistic interpretation. This is known as. So this says that the wave function which contain all the information, although it itself does not have a physical meaning, but the psi star psi multiplied with psi, giving me the mode square of wave function psi. This will give me the answer to my question, that the probability of finding the system at a particular value of x and a particular value of time t. Okay. Correct. Okay, so now if I jump to solve my question, which was the plot where I was given a wave function psi. Okay, so this was 1, this was 2, and this was 3. Okay, this is my psi. And so again, remember that the probability that we were asked in the question itself, we need to, if I draw that plot, it will be mod of psi square. So because it is a psi square, so there will be no value in negative region. So my first plot will be 1, like this. I'm just following the particular magnitude of each plot or value of wave function. So you will get probability value corresponding to each region. If I say this is P1, this is P2, and this is P3, then it will become as, so P2 has the highest value, then comes P3, and then comes P1. Okay. Now, the probability of finding the particle in the region 1, 2, and 3 which follows the given trend in the figure, we had 2, 3, this is okay, 2, then 3, and then 1. Okay, so the correct option is B. I will highly recommend you to go through the lecture Postulate of Quantum Mechanics 1 by Professor Sabyasachi Mishra, Department of Chemistry, IIT Kharagpur. I am attaching the link below. Thank you.